Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's July 2nd, Monday morning, and grain markets sharply higher again. The National Weather Service maps are projecting that we'll get some rain through the northern Midwest and the southern Midwest here, and then over in the eastern part of the Midwest in the 5-day forecast. We did not get much rain over the weekend. There was some spotty showers throughout, some severe storms and damage done, but when it ended, not a lot of moisture. And the biggest concern the trade has right now is with this lack of moisture, how many times can the corn market bounce back from the stress that we're seeing? And temperatures this week look like they'll be in the mid to upper 90s throughout most of the Midwest. Many areas will be 100 plus on the 4th of July. So it's going to be a very stressful week this week, with the chance of some showers periodically in different portions of the Midwest. But the trade is looking for rain in the gauge, not rain on the forecast maps. And that's the focus that the traders are looking at here today. We do have crop conditions reports out this afternoon. Estimates are anywhere from 4 to 6% lower in corn crop conditions. Many are estimating in that 50 to 51% good to excellent category here on corn. The outside markets have quieted here from Friday's reactions to the EU leaders' comments about the banking system in the European community. However, we're seeing a bounce here this morning. We're seeing the dollar up 28 to 30 points as we speak. The crude oil's down about $1.50, so a little retracement there. The excitement, though, and the concern and tension that we've got in the grain markets is coming off of this reaction that we've seen on Friday in the outside markets, and that maybe, and are we going to see the funds come in and buy grains like they did in these outside markets, like crude, for instance, being up sharply on Friday, and the gold and silver were all higher on inflationary concerns. So that is something that's keeping some fuel under this market right now. We're going into a time period here where we've got a holiday ahead of us right in the middle of the week. The trading hours are going to change here on tomorrow at 12 noon. The grain markets, both electronic and the open outcry, will close, and they won't open again until Thursday morning at 9:30. There'll be no sessions on Tuesday night or Wednesday night. It'll be an electronic and a pit opening on Thursday morning at 9:30. Then Thursday night and Friday will be normal hours. So be prepared for that. And also volatility because of that. If the weather forecast would change, if headlines come out of Europe, which we don't expect. We expect that they will be quiet for a period of time here as the reaction and they'll work through the analysis of the comments last week. So that creates a lot of volatility this week, and reasons to stay in touch with Allendale's research. Now, the livestock industry is being affected by the heat as well. The cattle industry, we're hearing reports of cattle and death loss increasing in feedlots in the west, where temperatures are running at 100 plus. Also, we probably won't see the effect of the heat on the pork industry for a few months, but more than likely we will. This extended extreme heat will have an impact on breeding and the conception rate, and should see tighter pork supplies and hog numbers as we move into 5 to 8 months out. So that's creating some benefit here to hog prices. However, the cutout value is decreasing. Choice was down 146 on Friday, select down 224. We had pork cutouts down 72. The demand side is also being affected by the heat, as the cookout and the barbecuing is maybe limited to those that are really excited about it, because most people don't want to go out and stand at a fire when you've got 100-degree temperature. So that's a concern as we look forward to this week, and as the demand usually tails off once we get through the 4th of July holiday in meat. So we've got that ahead of us as well. A lot of things to analyze here, and one of the major concerns as we go forward here at the beginning of July is, will these funds jump into the agricultural markets as a place to put money here after the first of the month? So stay in tune with Allendale's research. We'll help you, guide you through this. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful day, and I will talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.